On August 28, a joint worship service in Gyeonggi region was held at Good News Anyang Church, with Pastor Oksu Park and Grach's choir. Grach's choir presented a colorful and rich performance, receiving applause from the congregation. Pastor Oksu Park preached the story of Matthew 8, the story of how a servant's paralysis was born through the centurion's faith, and preached that when we believe that the Lord is with us and rely only on Lord, He will surely help us in work. Gyeonggi area believers expressed their impressions that they were able to learn about the joy of believing in God and dedicating their lives to the gospel. On August 24th, Good News Jeonju Church held the 2024 Jeonju Gwangju Church Friendly Game and Joint Senior Meeting. This event was an event to bring together the minds of seniors in advance of upcoming Jeonju Bible Seminar in October, and they moved and ate together to narrow the distance between their hearts. In the evening, they gathered together for a worship service, and Pastor Jinseok Kim of Good News Gwangju Church delivered the message that faith means believing that God will be our supporter and help and support us in detail. On 23rd, Uganda IYF held a mindset workshop for about 100 doctors and nurses at Mulago Restoration University in Kampala, which has been in partnership for 7 years. Mind recreation took place where participants could demonstrate teamwork and creativity, and Reverend Kim Young-jin, head of IYF Uganda, left a deep impression on attendees with mind lecture on historical cases from South Korea. They look forward to positive changes that will occur in Uganda's education through mind education. Rwanda IYF branch held an IYF summer camp at Kimisagara Youth Center from August 28 to 29. This camp was part of a summer vacation project with Rwanda Youth Department, and about 300 college students and teenagers opened their minds through performances and mind games. Reverend Go Bon Jin, head of the Rwanda IYF branch, conveyed hope to attendees under the theme of dreams, and on the second day, a talent show was held and students performed on stage. The Rwanda IYF branch announced that it will continue to take the lead in youth leadership activities. From August 26 to 29, Myanmar IYF Yangon branch invited Pastor Park Jang-yong of Good News Donduchin Church and IYF performance staff to hold the first dance workshop. About 200 young people from all over the country had fun learning how to dance, and after the class, Pastor Jenjeong Park spoke about God's ability to create from nothing under the theme of Genesis of chapter 1. It was a time for young people in Myanmar, who were struggling due to the unstable political situation, to find laughter and become closer to God through dance. From August 28 to 30th, Pastor Songwat Cho of Good News Gyeongsan Church was invited to Thailand for a Bible seminar and educator forum in Isan region. The event was held with the support of Professor An Woo Sun Tu Sinkin, who attended this year's Korea World Camp, and Pastor Seong Hwa Cho gave a sermon about God who is always with us. At the same time, an educational leaders forum was held at Northeastern Royal Institute of Technology, Mahasarakam Ratchafa University, attended by about 2,000 teachers and students. Thailand's IYF said that it hopes to spread the gospel more widely through mind education.